Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make good green beans from a can. First, drain and rinse your canned green beans very well under cold water. This step removes extra sodium and improves their fresh taste. Next, gently pat the beans dry with a paper towel. This helps them brown nicely and absorb flavors better. Finally, prepare your favorite seasonings, such as a half teaspoon of garlic powder, a quarter teaspoon of onion powder, and a pinch of black pepper. Now let's get cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil or butter in a large skillet over medium heat. Once shimmering, add 1 clove of minced garlic or a quarter cup of diced shallots, cooking for about 30 seconds until they become fragrant. Then, add your prepared green beans to the skillet. Sauté them for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until they are heated through and slightly tender crisp. To truly elevate your green beans, season them generously during the last 2 minutes of cooking. Add a half teaspoon of salt, a quarter teaspoon of black pepper, and any other spices you enjoy. For extra depth, pour in about 1/4 cup of chicken or vegetable broth and let it reduce slightly. A final squeeze of fresh lemon juice, approximately 1 teaspoon, right before serving will brighten all the flavors beautifully. Your delicious canned green beans are now ready to serve. For a beautiful presentation, garnish them with a sprinkle of fresh chopped parsley or chives. To add a delightful crunch, consider topping them with 2 tablespoons of toasted slivered almonds or crispy fried onions. These enhanced green beans make a fantastic side dish, complementing any meal perfectly. Enjoy your flavorful creation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.